Hey friends, it's giveaway time. Giveaways happen only on my Facebook business page so I don't miss anybody. I'm giving away this original Cardinal snowing at night painting. I'm going to turn it so you don't get the glare. It's 6 by 6 inches. Oh, there's some glare. Satin UV varnish, which you can see. Signed on the back. And I'm giving away this, I call them little ornaments, little 4" by 4" canvas panel. It's gloss varnished, wired, signed on the back. I'll link both of these videos in the description in case you're curious about them. The giveaway happens Friday, January 19th, 2024 and runs through Sunday, January 21st. I'll have random.org pick the winner on Monday, January 22nd, 2024. I'll message you through Facebook. I won't ask you for your credit card. Please don't fall for any of those scams. I super appreciate your support. Great big happy art hugs and good luck.